Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up guys? I think you guys are doing great. Today in this video I'm going to share my Myntra end of the recent sale haul with you guys. So keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new here in my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and do share this video among with your friends. So before I start my today's video, I would like to tell you guys that you can also follow me in my Insta handle and also in my Facebook page to see my latest pictures and updates of my new videos. So without wasting much time, let's start today's video. Starting with my first purchase, which is so satisfying. I really love this beautiful dress from the brand Barilage. In this dress you will get this ruffle kind of detailing down below, which makes it super pretty. I have bought this dress for rupees 455 only, and I think it's currently out of stock because it's in high demand. The material of this dress is 100% polyester and the fabric of this dress is too good for the price range, and it is exactly as shown in the picture. It has this very beautiful sweetheart neckline with yellow and white floral prints all over and a tie-up kind of detailing, which you can tie like this. I would love to suggest this very beautiful dress to you guys. You can go for it blindly and you will never regret buying this. Secondly, I have bought this very pretty flared blue dress from the brand Ether at a price of rupees 519 only. Sometimes I love to wear one color dress because what I see nowadays, everybody is going forward for floral prints, which is very common. So this time I thought to try something different because this type of color never fades away. The fabric of this dress is polyester and the material is thick and it's too good. It has a round neck with V-shape detailing in front and with regular short sleeves. But frankly speaking, this dress is not for summers. You can wear this dress in mid-winters, in early spring, or in any type of season which is not that too hot. So moving to my third purchase, which is very elegant and unique among all the purchases which I made from Myntra this time, is because it has that sexy look and at the same time it also adds an all hippie style too, which makes this top fabulous with a very beautiful floral prints in it, and I'm just loving it. This is a very beautiful floral print top with a small V-neck line with long sleeves. I have purchased this one for rupees 584 only, and I have paired it with my torn jeans. You can wear it with your slim fit jeans too. This is gonna be a fabulous girls night outfit. So moving to my next purchase, which is my fourth purchase, is this very beautiful navy blue color dress with beautiful floral prints in it. It's from the brand Tokyo Talis and I have purchased this one for rupees 515 only. This is a very beautiful flared floral printed dress with a round neck. The fitting of this dress is quite awesome and the length is also appropriate. It's neither too long nor too short. The fabric of this dress is viscose rayon. And one good thing about this dress is you can wear it with leggings or jeggings too. I have paired it with my jeggings and this will going to give you a kurti look also. So moving to my next purchase, which is my fifth purchase, is this very beautiful top from the brand Sassafras. I have purchased this one for rupees 455 only, and the material of this top is polyester and it has a layered type of detailing. This is a very pretty crop top. It is off shoulder kind and it has 2 layered detailing. I have bought a medium size for myself and I have paired it with my jeggings. You can wear it with your black jeans too. This is very pretty and awesome purchase, I think. So here is my sixth and the last purchase from Myntra, and this is stunningly beautiful mint color pleated short strappy skater dress, and it is from the same brand Sassafras. It's a sleeveless pleated aligned dress with layered detailing, and it has a perfect fittings. This dress is very comfortable to wear, and here are adjustable straps which you can drag it according to your size. I have bought a medium size for myself, and the fitting of this dress is very nice, and I have purchased this one for rupees 719 only. And young ladies, this mint green is one of my favorite color, and I'm extremely happy with this. And let me tell you guys about this top which I am wearing is also from Myntra. I have bought this one 6 months ago. It's from the brand Vini Vidi Vici. It's for the price 540 only. You can purchase this one also. So guys, for now the prices may fluctuate but the quality won't, because they are very affordable in this price range. You can go for it. That's all for today's Myntra haul. I hope you guys like my today's video, and do comment which one is your favorite one. So that's all for today. Bye bye.